Welcome to Happy Hoopy School! Today, I want to tell you which size of the hula hoop you should choose. What's the best size of the hula hoop for you? So, on my hand, they have three different sizes of the hula hoop. The big hula hoop is a 105 diameter size hula hoop. And the medium size hoop, this is a 95 centimeter hula hoop. The small hula hoop, this is a 85 centimeters hula hoop. And yeah, which size should you choose? If you're a beginner's hula hooper, you should always grab the biggest size of the hula hoop. If you're an advanced hula hooper, you should use the small size of the hula hoop. But it also depends on your height and body size as well. Because some people are much taller, and then you of course need a big hula hoop. But if you're small kids, you need a small size hula hoop. So it also depends on your size. But basically, you should use a bigger hoop for beginners. You know why? Because when you spin the big size of the hula hoop, you have less push the hula hoop with your tummy because it's spinning really slow. So you have less workout and it's easier for you. But if you use a small hula hoop, you're gonna push more with your tummy. So it's gonna be harder than the bigger hoop because the small hula hoop spin much faster. I'm an advanced hula hooper, so I can probably hula hoop any size of the hula hoop. So I prefer to choose the small size hula hoop. You know why? Then I can do more hand hula hooping trick. If you wanna do hand hula hoop, it's easier to use light hula hoop and small size hula hoop. But if you wanna do the body hula hooping, bigger hula hoops easier for you. Also, when you choose the size of the hula hoop, the best size of the hula hoop comes to on your waist. So this looks big to me, and I put the medium hula hoop, it comes to my waist. So this looks like the best size for me. But again, I'm an advanced hula hooper, so even though it's a small hula hoop, I can hula hoop. So I'm going to choose a small size of the hula hoop. Sorry, this was not 85. This was a kid's hoop, probably maybe 75, 70 centimeters. That's really small, tiny hoop, which I prefer to hula hoop with. And where can you get your hula hoop? You can get the professional hula hoop factory. I'm making my own hula hoops. So this is my handmade hula hoops. I buy the tube, I cut the tube, I connect them one by one with my hand. If you want to do the hula hoop on your body, if you are looking for dance hula hoop, it's the best to buy from someone who is actually doing the hula hoop, because then they know what hula hoop is best for you. I also put the gaffer tape here, gaffer tape. So it's less slippery and it's easier to do hula hoop on your body. Otherwise, you can get the Kmart or Big W or any toy shop, but it's gonna be difficult to hula hoop on your body. But it's gonna be easy to do hand hula hooping because if you use small light hula hoop for your hand, it's gonna be easier for you. So depending on what trick you want to do, but for the body hooping, bigger hula hoop is easier. For the hand hula hooping and advanced hula hooper, you should use the small hula hoop, light hula hoop. So that's the tips of the way to choose a hula hoop. So again, the beginners should choose the big size hula hoop. Advanced hula hoopers can choose a small hula hoop. And then if you're beginner but you are comfortable doing a hula hooping, you can probably get the medium size hula hoop. 95 centimeters is the one I recommend for you. Anyway, I hope you choose the right size of the hula hoop for you, and then you have a happy hoopy time. またねー